Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our 8th class physics chapter 9, that is electrical conductivity of liquids. Okay, so in this video we are going to see the question answer of this chapter. So let's start with the keywords, then question answer, improve your learnings, and whatever it is, experiment and project work. Okay, so let's see the first of all keywords. There are 6 keywords in that, like good conductor, poor conductor, electrodes, electrolytes, electrolysis, and electroplating. So these are the generally 6 keywords which is present in this chapter. So if you look at that, then we will move to our improve your learning. So in the improve your learning, this is your first question. Give an example for the good solid conductors and the liquid conductors. And then after second question, give an example for poor solid conductor and liquid conductors. Okay, so if it is clear, then we will go to our second question and fourth question. So second question is that give 2 examples for the electrolytes. Draw a diagram of electric cells and explain. So these are the 3 and 4th question. If it is clear, then we will go to the application of concept. So this is application of concept. The first question is that which energy is cases for the glowing a bulb in an electrolytic cell. Okay, so if it is clear, let's see the second question. How do you add a distillated water for the making it conduct electricity? Second question is over. Then we will talk about the higher thinking question, and the first question is that if the key is to be coated with the aluminium instead of the copper, what changes do you need to make an experiment to coating iron and key with the copper? Okay, so I hope this is going to be helpful for you. Okay, and then we will talk about this second question. Is plastic coated by the process of electroplating? So will you have to tell, is plastic will you coat in that? You have to tell about that. So then after we will talk about multiple choice question. The first question is that which of the following is a use in organizations and rotation? So this is the answer, electroplating. Second, pure water. This C is correct, C1 is correct, and the third one MCQ B1 is correct, fourth one A1 is correct, and fifth one option D is correct. And this is a suggested experiment. You can see the first question. Okay, so if it's clear, second question you can see. Conduct an experiment for the testing for electrical conductivity in liquids. And this is the third question. Conduct an experiment for testing the electrical conductivity of electrolytes. Okay, after that, this is a suggested project work, and here we can see that this is a collect informations about the various sources on the application of electroplatings is a daily life and prepare a report on that. And this is your second question about the LED and something else in testing, so you can go through that after that. Well, this chapter is still here only. Whatever the question answer in this chapter, everything is clear, and I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you and you have not a single doubt in that one. If you get anywhere doubt, then you can match with your textbook. Okay, and if you are looking for other subjects question answer like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and social studies, so go to our channel, click on the playlist, and there is a lot of playlists you can check out there and you will find out there. Okay na? So let's meet on the next video. We will see you. So tab tak ke liye